Hello and welcome to Bradio's Software Development. My name is Brad, and today we're going to be carrying on with our live series, Developing an App End to End. Today is session 2, and we're going to do an overview of the session before we continue with the other videos. So if I just go to share my iPad so you can see my whiteboard, and as you can see in session 0, we talked about the overall scope of the project, so what exactly we're going to be talking about, when we're expected to end it, all of that stuff. Session 1, we talked about tooling, so we set up our Docker, we set up our Visual Studio Code, we set up Node, NPM, all of that. And in session 2, which is this next set of sessions, we're going to be setting up the project itself. So we're going to look at, if I move my screen across here, we're going to look at installing Nest.js, doing a directory overview, so how exactly we're going to structure our project. We're also going to install React.js, also using TypeScript. And in session 2C, we're going to be setting up Mongo and Docker, and then connecting all of the microservices together through Docker. We're not going to discuss RabbitMQ just yet because I want to get the structure set up, and then we can focus on doing RabbitMQ in another set of videos. But that's just the overview of this session. I'm splitting it over 4 videos, so this is the first one, and then A, B, and C will be the second, third, and fourth. So thanks for watching, and I will catch you in session 2A.